know by now, I'm going to restore this Vespa this upcoming winter. And now that I've been riding for a while, I've noticed some things that I need to add to my to-do list on this bike. For example, you can see that my steering head is slightly angled to the left. It's not sitting correctly. The three main things I'm going to do with this bike this winter is that I'm going to do some welding to fix some rust. I'm going to give it a new paint job, and I'm going to rebuild the whole engine. So those are the three big things I plan on doing. Another thing that I noticed is that I bought a Zip classic tires, which I like very much when you go on gravel. But on asphalt roads, these tires give vibrations through all of the bike, which is not very pleasant when riding on asphalt. So I'm going to change these tires to something more asphalt friendly, I think. I need to fix the glove compartment's lid because it rattles quite a lot. If you listen up closely, you can hear this. I need to do something about my speedo because both my speedometer and my fuel gauge jumps around all of the time, as you can see here. So this is something I have to look into also. So, as you can see, the list of things that I need to fix on this bike just keeps on growing. And I probably will find some more things before it's time to tear it down. But I hope you join me this winter when I try to fix this bike up. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching.